Good morning! Welcome back to our channel. Ano ba yan?
Grumpy girl.
Today is Friday, November 6. Right, Daddy?
No.
Yes. It's November 6. Dalhin ko si Daddy sa Mall of Emirates kasi I'm gonna buy him an advance birthday present for his birthday. So, we'll have a look.
You're going to buy me more than one.
Oh, Daddy wants more. I already bought 3 items.
No, don't tell me.
Alright guys, we'll see kung anong mabili natin para kay Daddy. Kasi kaya gusto ko bilhin ko siya ng advance birthday present, yung make sure na gusto niya at magagamit niya. Kasi yung nabili ko kasi na hindi niya alam, kami lang ni Georgie ang nakakaalam noon. Yung gagamitin kong pera guys na pambili sa gift ni Daddy is yung allowance kong monthly. Kasi normally dinideposito yan. So naiipon siya guys kasi hindi ko siya ginagastos. Nagastos na ako konti-konti. Siya yung nagpagod para mamuhay kami pang araw-araw, mabigyan niya ang aming pangangailangan. So ayun. So Daddy will deserve everything. So dapat ibigay natin sa kanya yung kaya natin gawin.
Find a good parking space here, Georgie.
So parking na kami. Hanap kami ng magandang parking kasi normally pag dito sa Mall of Emirates, ang hirap maghanap ng parking kasi punuan agad. Kasi yung iba gustong mag-park nearby the door, ayaw nila maglakad. Lalo na pag tag-init. Pero kami, we don't mind if we park.
I'm gonna park here so we've got that door near the exit.
Oo. Ang sa amin ni Daddy, mag-park kami kung saan malapit yung exit. Kasi para mabilis makalabas. Ayan. So, time for shopping. So, maybe mommy will shop for myself also. We'll see. Na. Sana wag itong umangal. Kasi may gusto akong tingnan. For myself. And for Georgie.
No, you're not. It's Daddy's day.
No, I'm just gonna have a look.
Have a look.
For my birthday present and for Christmas.
You're not having one. You've had plenty. You've had your laptop.
Allah, that's different.
That's everything. That's your birthday present for the next 10 years.
Ano sabi mo?
Yes, it's your birthday present for the next 10 years.
Wala na akong regalo at birthday gift guys kasi yung laptop daw. Guys, punta sana kami ng Apple shop kaya lang ang haba ng pila. Hindi ayaw ni Daddy magpila at maghintay ng ganun katagal. Kasi limit lang ang dapat nasa loob. Tingnan natin guys. So that's Daddy. Let's go. Let's go. See, look at the queue. Ayan yung queue. See, haba ng pila. Ayan o. Kaya punta na lang kami ng Virgin.
Sing first.
Cover your nose, cover your nose. What's right? Happy Daddy. Georgie will stand on the blue spot. Daddy's there. And Mommy's here. There. Dito na kami sa Apple. Apple section. Daddy. So, which strap you prefer? Blue strap. This type? Velcro? How about this one?
I want to try them on.
This one, I don't like this one because it goes. You got to pop it in.
Ah, yeah. Do you prefer the Velcro?
The self-sealing one. See, look, like, you know, poke it through there.
Yeah.
It's too finicky.
This is nice, Daddy.
Yeah, there's different types.
Put it down, love.
You're an expert. He's happy, right?
Dad, this is the Series 6. This is the one that you like.
Yeah, but the Series 6 comes in different.
Yeah. Where?
No.
It's Mommy's AirPods. Yeah, same as
Yeah.
Wow.
Different.
This one is aluminum.
So this is the iPhone XR. It's really nice. Ah, I guess that's iPhone 12.
That's the iPhone 12 Pro.
Yeah. So this is the iPhone 12.
Should be on the prices.
It's 4,000. It's cheap. The biggest
512 gig.
512 gig is 5,000. 469.
5,500.
5,000, yeah. Ganda, maganda yung ano.
Hello there, how are you?
Yeah, good sir. How may I help you today?
My birthday next week and she wants to buy me an iPhone, so I will see.
Super. It's such a great gift. I'll just double check if they have it, but for the past 2 weeks we didn't have it in stock.
Right, I don't want this. I want the Velcro.
Look, in this case scenario,
GPS, yeah. It comes everything.
So all you do is you just tap it
Yeah.
and then tap it again. And then
Yeah, you can
Check it out.
browse all the apps in it. Everything is there. Connect to your phone.
yeah, I can sync it to my phone, I can play music.
Yeah. Cool. So the
And you
Serious?
can set the phone up differently for
it's 2,000. So that's 3,000 dirhams.
clock face.
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jump!
Where are you going? Are you?
I love you. Nah. Wow, way. Hi guys! Uwi na kami guys. Failed ang aming lakad kasi wala silang, they don't have the I watched design that Gary wants, you know. Wala silang color na gusto namin. Tapos kahit saang shop wala. Meron, hindi namin sure kasi sa ano, sa Apple shop kasi ano, mahaba nga pila. Sabi ko kanina, mahaba ang pila. So, nag-Dubai mo lang kami para bumili ng Dunkin Donut. Uwi na lang kami kasi, ayun, titingin na lang kami online. Daddy, no? We will check online na lang para makapili at may option talaga. There's a blue car, pero sabi ni Daddy, titingin siya online. Ako pa rin magbabayad. Para feel naman niya na ano, ako yung gumastos, hindi siya. So fair enough. Ay nako, nakakapagod pumunta dito sa mall na ito. Alam niyo kung bakit? Ang laki. Tapos mahirap kabisuduin. Nakakapagod maglakad. So uwi muna kami.
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, it's never ending, it's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed? There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning, vultures are circling me. Around it, I need to fight. I know it's just so hard to let it go. Shine a light I can see. Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid if I let go